Hey friends, if you wish to fix system configuration cannot save the original boot configuration error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to rebuild the BCD. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Now I have 4 commands for you. Simply copy and paste these commands here and hit enter. These may or may not work depending upon the situation of your hard drive. If it does not, then the next solution is to perform a system restore on your computer. Search for recovery on the Windows search bar and click on recovery. Select open system restore. Click on choose a different restore point. Select next. Choose a good restore point. Click on next and finally click on finish to initiate the process. Click on yes. Was this helpful? If not, then the last solution is to reset Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down and then select recovery. Click on recovery. Select reset PC. Select remove everything. Now select cloud download and then click on next to initiate the process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.